Learn how to bullet journal with the Otto Dot Journal range.
Bullet journaling is a great way to keep track of daily activities and keep yourself accountable to your personal goals. There are rules for bullet journaling, but remember, this is your journal and you can alter them to meet your own needs. Designed specifically for bullet journaling, the Otto Dot Journal range offers pre-printed guidance pages, including a guide to the essential lists and symbols, so you'll have a reference if you get stuck. You'll also find that these journals come with pre-printed numbers on the bottom corner of each page. These numbers are essential for setting up one of the most important pages in the journal, the index page. The index page is the same as an index page in a book. It tells you what content is on what page. You can add to it as you go. Things to add to this page can be the page number on which months start and end, pages for lists, and your future log. You can even design your own index pages to further personalize your journal. The future log is a section in your journal that contains entries that will occur outside your current month. You can design your future log however you wish, but today we'll be setting it out in a month-by-month layout. When drawing up your future log, make sure you have plenty of space to add your tasks and events. Once you've done your setup, you can get started on journaling. You can decide whether you want to use your bullet journal in a day-by-day or month-by-month layout. It's up to you whether you want to dedicate a whole page to a month or a smaller segment. You can vary the size of the segment by how many tasks you have on that month. There are categories that your bullet journal entries take. The first is tasks, the items on your daily to-do list. Tasks are represented by a single solid bullet point. When a task is complete, simply cross out the bullet point with an X. If you don't manage to complete a task in your month, you can migrate it to another month by drawing a forward-pointing arrow over it and placing it in your future log. If your task is something you no longer need to do, simply cross it out with a line. Events are another category and they can be signified by a hollow triangle. Events could be a birthday, a business trip, or a meeting. You can colour code too. For example, work tasks and events could be written in blue. Home tasks could be in pink. And social tasks could be in green. Highlighters are also a great way to differentiate tasks and events. You can keep track of what colours mean and what symbols mean too in the pre-allocated My Symbols key page. You can use stickers to add more decoration to your journal or to draw attention to important notes or dates. Bullet journals give you the freedom to make your journal your very own. To get started, purchase a bullet journal from the Otto Dot Journal range online or pick them up from your local Officeworks store today.